Got a 76 Pontiac Formula, whatever. I am not familiar with this puppy, to tell you the truth. It's even after my time. Look at this. Got your actual sheet. That's an expensive car back then, $4,500, man. That is big bucks in 76, real big dollars. 350 V8. It's a Pontiac engine, though, not a Chevy motor. A lot of people see 350, they think it's a Chevy. It's not. You open up the hood of your Pontiac, load it up, man. Rear spoiler, air conditioning, recessed wipers. That's was an option too. My God. Coming from Michigan. Nice stance. 2 dual tips on each side. Got your Pontiac emblem. Feels like you're in the cockpit of a race car for sure.